Today we're going to talk about making a replacement racking handle for the very old Singer Superba knitting machines. This is mine, called a Singer Heimstricker. They were, however, marketed under several names. These models are completely mechanical, no electronics whatsoever. Racking handles can get lost when the machines change hands and you find them at estate sales, and we've been asked about it several times. So Jack has taken some extensive measurements and he has some suggestions for you on how you could possibly make your own.
All right, we measured the outside diameter of the shaft. We measured the depth of this declivity here. Then we measured the distance of the end of the tang that we're going to create. We also took measurements from the bend to the end. We took a measurement in 32nds of an inch for how wide this groove needs to be, and it's slightly longer from the end to the beginning of this groove. But you could very easily find the right size round file and groove this in. This is where the retaining ball spring loads into and lets it rotate. This tang has to be beveled on the sides right there. You can see there's a bevel. So that it'll find its seat. There's a groove inside there.
This would take a little time, but
Yeah.
It is doable by hand, right?
It could be. I would try to find a grinding wheel this depth, and it will naturally, as you rotate this against the grinding wheel, make a deeper and deeper groove, and that was why we made our measurement here in the pictures.
The handle could be anything, but what about the bend to make it come out from under the machine in a convenient way?
You'd have to measure the angle of the bend with right there. You just put a straight edge out, and there's so many different things. Protractor comes to mind to measure this angle.
I'm doubting it has to be precise. I think it just has to clear the bed and you're able to get your hand on it.
That is correct, and it's about a 2.5 center bend to the end. Here's what you need to notice. The bend is exactly opposite the plane of the end.
And that probably does matter.
That does matter, because you got to have enough room to rotate this all the way around to rack from side to side. So I would get this work done, clamp it in a vise, mark the 2.5 inch from the end, heat that, and bend this.
And then add a wooden handle, or everybody's favorite, a duct tape handle.
Well, no, actually, I'd get out my plumbing putty and I would manufacture a handle.
That would work. From here, we're going to be quiet and just show you close-ups of the individual measurements. You do need to know how to read a micrometer. This one is registering thousandths of an inch. The straight rule is showing 32nds of an inch. This one is showing 16ths of an inch.